Hey guys, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. In this tutorial, I'll share how I drew the outline of the portrait of Tripti Dimri from the movie Qala. By the way, here I'm using grid method for drawing the outline of the portrait. I drew 6 vertical grids and 7 horizontal grids with 2 centimeter each in length. Now I'm gradually drawing the outline of the face. First I'm drawing this outline sketch through grid method on an A4 size paper so that for drawing and erasing and drawing the main paper on which I'm gonna paint will not get destroyed, because when I draw and remove multiple times, then sometimes a pencil mark may get remain on the paper and it's not easy to remove that lines, and sometimes the pressure of the pencil also can create some depth, so yeah, that's difficult to remove. Now I'm drawing the eyes and nose. Drawing the eyes of a human being at a particular alignment is one of the toughest job, because you have to draw the eyes in that specific angle on the direction through which that person is looking into. I have also displayed the reference image along with the grid lines on the screen. Through this picture, I'm creating my art. Moving on, now I'm creating the lips. While drawing the lips, we have to keep in mind the smile which conveys through the facial expression. For achieving such expressions, we have to observe the reference image a lot. We have to study the reference image a lot, and then only we can give a touch of those expressions on our drawing too. By the way, did you watch the watercolor painting of this portrait? If yes, then comment below. Else, you can watch that video anytime on my channel. I have also attached the link of that video in the description box. Also, you can find that video in the watercolor painting playlist of my channel. face is almost done, and now I'm drawing the headphones. Guys, comment below how much did you feel the video till now. Now I'm drawing the microphone. Guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so that you never miss any new video. Now I'm drawing the border of the sari on the chest, adding some final details on the headphones, adding details on the hairline also. Now I turned the page and shaded the opposite side of the paper through the same graphite pencil through which I drew the complete outline. I placed the paper on the sketchbook and am tracing the lines on the page. Now I'm tracing the lines on the sketchbook which are not that much visible to me so that it becomes visible more. Well, these are the final steps of drawing the outline. Guys, if you really did enjoy my video, then hit the like button and do subscribe my shorts channel also. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the links are attached in the description box. By the way, the outline results are so stunning.